What's up guys? So, this is the Google Pixel 5, that Google finally take the wraps off of this new flagship phone. I know this smartphone looks a lot like the cheaper Pixel 4a, but believe me, it has tons of new features, which make it different from it. So here are my top 5 features of the Google Pixel 5. Anyway, if you want to get video like this, subscribe to this channel will be phenomenal. Now, let's start the video. Well, one of the best feature of the Google Pixel 5 is its display. Like it has a 6-inch 2340 by 1080 OLED panel with 90Hz refresh rate, which features a hole punch selfie camera, and the best part of it is that there is now a full H2H display with no notch or bezels, like there isn't even a small chin at the bottom, setting it apart from the cheaper Pixel 4a. Like everyone is surprised from its display, it's completely bezel-less, which makes it looks quite different and beautiful. Well, it's safe to say that the camera is the most important feature of every Pixel phone out there, and Google don't need high megapixels like they do all the camera magic through software, and the same thing goes with the Google Pixel 5. So, Pixel 5 has 2 rear cameras, a 12.2 megapixel main camera with a 77-degree field of view, and both optical and electronic image stabilization, and a new 16 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera that captures a wider 107 degrees. Here are the photos taken from the camera, and this time Google introduced a new camera feature called Night Sight in Portrait Mode, and it basically lets you take awesome portrait photos using low-light photography. Pixels were already making some of the best portraits around, and now you'll be able to get more creative with the lighting. As expected, the latest Pixel is a bit of a different device than its previous years. Instead of going for the absolute best specs possible, Google is offering a slightly more modest of that specs, and a lower price point. The Pixel 5 will start at $699, a $100 cutoff from the $799 Pixel 4, the standard variant. So I guess this is really an amazing price point, considering the best camera phone on the planet. So, the Pixel 4a doesn't have the water and dust resistant certification, which is no doubt an important feature, but new Pixel 5 have IP68 water and dirt certification, which is a great, and I guess it should be a must-have feature in devices, and the Pixel 5 is finally getting that. Another thing which make the Pixel 5 different from the Pixel 4a is wireless and reverse wireless charging, so now you can wirelessly charge your phone and also other devices which sport wireless charging through the back of the Google Pixel 5, which is a new feature to the Pixel lineup. Also, it comes with a single variant which has 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage, which is amazing considering the price point. So these were my top 5 features of the Google Pixel 5. So, what do you think about it? Do let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. And if you like this video, subscribe to the channel will be amazing. And my name is Arjun. This is Digital Outside. I'll catch you guys in the next one.